What did the cat say?
You know what the cat says? Meow.
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 Oh, what about the pig? The pig says oink oink.
Oh, meow.
How about it snorts? How about it goes? And what about a chicken? You know what the chicken says?
Yeah.
The chicken goes bonk, 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 bonk.
Bum, bum, bum.
Yeah, and the rooster. What's the rooster do?
Good.
Yeah, he goes cock-a-doodle-doo.
We're so good.
Yeah. So tell me again, what does the dog say?
I should have it, but the
The dog
dog.
barks. He goes ruff, ruff, ruff.
Look, look, look.
And what does the cat say?
I don't know what
Remember?
he keeps like,
Remember the cat goes meow.
what is that, honey? He's I don't know what he's doing. He's like pretending to wag his tail or something. I'm not sure. I don't know what he's doing. It's funny. Wait, don't touch.
Oh, yeah, but I only
Mhm.
brush.
Does the dog wag his tail? Because they're happy. They like you. That's why they wag their tail.
What was that?
Yeah, what does the kitty cat say?
You were that.
Elias, what's the cat
The
say?
cat says meow.
Wow.
Meow.
Wow.
Yeah. And what does the bird say?
Wow.
No, does the bird go chirp chirp or does it go tweet tweet?
Beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep.
Tweet tweet?
Bye-bye.
And then the duck, what's the duck say?
Duck. Duck.
Quack quack.
Bub, bub.
Quack quack quack.
Bub, 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 bub.
That's right.
Bub, the daddy.
Yeah, did you know I love you?
Already.
I love you.
Already.
It's a happy day.
Bobby day.
Happy day.
Happy day.
Yes. Okay, give me a big kiss.
Moo, moo, moo.
Okay. All right, let me talk to Mama.
Say bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Dada.
No, say bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye, sweetheart. I love you.
Already.
Hold on just a second, Mama.